SmallBiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Tyagi, and in this video we will talking about key MSME benefit for small businesses. Micro, small and medium enterprises, broadly known as MSMEs, considered as the key pillar of the Indian economy. Their contribution towards nation GDP is quite remarkable. Apart from rendering highly competitive products and services, MSME sectors has also made a massive contribution in terms of job creation. MSME registration is a government-led initiative that aims to foster better working environment for small businesses in India by rendering various growth-driven scheme and hassle-free fiscal support. Now let's talk about the potential benefit facilitated by the MSME registrations to the small business owners in India. The number one benefit is access to collateral-free bank loan. One of the most productive benefits of MSME registration is that it ensures the availability of collateral-free bank loan for small businesses. These serve as a boon for financially aggrieved entities and enterprises that often have a tough time in addressing their expenses. Under this scheme, new as well as old enterprises can secure much needed credit without posing any risk to their assets. In view of this, government has launched Credit Guarantee Trust Fund schemes that aims to lend swift credit to needy businesses without any hassle. Second benefit is low processing charges for patent registration. Under the prevailing bylaws, MSME registered entities have the access to fee relaxation on their patent registration. This advocates small entities to keep innovating on new technologies and projects. Third benefit is relaxation on overdraft interest rate. Enterprises and businesses with MSME registration can avail a benefit of 1% on the overdraft scheme that varies bank-wise. This arrangement works well for small businesses that encounter financial crunches in meeting their ground expenses. Keep in mind that the term overdraft refers to a credit extension given to the entities encountering nil balance in their salary or saving account. Fourth benefit is seamless access to industrial promotional subsidies. Entities that have been operating as MSME registered units can have access to government-driven subsidies for industrial promotion. Fifth benefit is access to government-based tenders. Entities with MSME registration now have access to the exclusive government tenders. The facilitation of such services is done via e-portal called Udyam Registration Portal, which is in sync with government e-marketplace. Sixth benefit is security against the late payment. MSME continually encounter the risk of late payment, which eventually leads them to the financial crisis. To safeguard registered entities, the Apex Court of India has mandated the buyers of MSME goods and services to clear their payment on agreed time or within 15 days from the purchase date. If the buyer fails to make the timely payment or defers the payment for more than 45 days, then the interest would be imposed in accordance with the RBI's direction. The government has also proposed a one-time settlement fees regarding the non-payment amount of MSME in this context. Seventh benefit is relaxation on electricity bill. All MSMEs registered entities are entitled to avail concession on their electricity bill. This allows entities to boost the production rate and secure more order without worrying about capital expenses related to electricity and maintenance. Eighth benefit is relaxation on ISO certification charges. In general, the cost of securing ISO registration is relatively higher than any other registrations owing to the presence of countless compliances. Most of the expenses occurs in the form of tedious paperwork. The government initiatives to cut down the expenses for ISO registration would provide a great deal of relief for MSME entities who are willing to make a mark in the international market. Ninth benefit is access to market assistance scheme. The MSME ministry runs a marketing assistance scheme that facilitates fiscal aids to MSMEs to boost their marketing efforts. MSME sector is one of the pivotal sectors of the Indian economy that steers the nations towards the path of sustainable growth. Since it is considered as the major GDP contributors, government is making every possible efforts to improve their standing by facilitating relevant schemes and benefits. So this is all about the benefits of MSME registration. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.